Hello and welcome to the Ministry of Miracles. In this video on February 11th, I wanted to share with you and give you an offer, an invitation into an exclusive training. It is entitled New Insight. We all need new insight. We all need new ideas. We all need new opportunities. It's a fact that most people in North America live a life of seclusion and desperation because it's a cold country, and loneliness can create a lot of problems if you don't know how to manage your time. Therefore, since my memory loss in 2013, I have had a series of research done on my brain, and I have worked with top doctors around the world about health and how to recapture the lost energy of youth. Being a business owner, I also have done a lot of research on how to market small businesses and reach out to communities around the world. My students of last Nowruz. Nowruz is New Year. It's March 22nd. It's Kurdish New Year. It's been in my heritage for hundreds of years. On that reset time, we had a class for a group in the University of Soran in Kurdistan region, northern Iraq. Some of my students have started their own online classes. 100% of them are employed and very happy by the career choices they made. Last year, we went through this 90-day crash course where we talked about how they can find their ultimate goal in life, their purpose. So you either let your purpose find you, or you go find your purpose. Your why is your purpose. What is your why? It is the reason you wake up every morning, that you could be excited about life, that you could go and chase your passions, what you really dream about. Most people don't ever find their why. That is why I'm offering this 90-day course to show you how you find your why. Every person living today in best time in history is here for a purpose. Maybe you are a retired person who would like to promote your knowledge and wisdom through one of our affiliate universities, the Vifter University. Folks, I'm bringing you cutting edge information mixed with wisdom of the old ages from the Middle East to North America. Some of my students from last year have secured government jobs in where they live. This is open to global, not only Canadians. Zoom, you can sign up anywhere from Ulaanbaatar in Mongolia to India to Pakistan to Malaysia to everywhere that you may see this video. You can join our class. It's an international class, and I've conducted it last year with my students. 100% success rate. I'll give you some resources to go and check out. First, check out Vifter University. Vifter.com. www.vifter.com. You'll find 3 categories. 1 for students, 2 for educators, 3 for businesses, and we will help you. Anyone who's in those categories. Maybe you have a 9-to-5 job and you're really happy. Life is mundane and it's the same. Let me ask you this. Would you like to repeat the same results as 2023 in 2024? Do you know how to have accountability and measures to see that you're growing through life? And this is not just about money. Let me define success as described in the Ministry of Miracles. If you haven't got a copy of this, go and get it right now. It's on Amazon for $9.99. If you don't want a paper cover back, there's online, you can download that. That's the first way of communication. Once you know the mind of an author, you can relate, you can get on the same page, level of thinking, energy, whatever you want to call it. That's my first way. The second thing you're gonna do is you subscribe to this YouTube channel, because I'm gonna bring you interviews from international people who are doing incredible things and started out from zero. Maybe you were a refugee like me. Maybe you came to Canada as a student. Maybe you came here as a nurse or a doctor, you're driving a taxi. Maybe you have a dream inside you and you still haven't found it. That's your why. In this 90-day program, I will show you how to reach beyond your physical being into your soul. I have faced death twice and I survived it with the help of doctors, health practitioners, and the people who taught me how to be creative. That is why I wrote this book called The Art of Creativity. I want to thank Mr. Paul D. Lowe at the World Game Changers for taking me through that 90-day 13-week intensive program, just listening to me. I had lost my father. I was in a dark place. My hero was gone forever. I needed a new face, no voice in my life. I needed somebody to give me time, to space, to cry on their shoulders, to tell them all my dreams and goals, and they would be confidential about it. And they would find me resources, and they would find me people who would collaborate to help get my book published and available on all platforms online. Then opening up this classroom and telling me, this is a wisdom of ages I'm giving you, and it is going to cost you some money. Are you willing to take the risk? And I say, how much? And then he says, it is 5,000 sterling pounds. And that's the price I paid to go and learn this training. And why am I making it available so at such a low cost of 500 Canadian dollars for everyone? Well, I'm training my team. This is a team training. We have the Morgan Gilany group, a group of unique individuals who want to serve our community through government loans, grants, and all of the other services that we provide. Those people come from different backgrounds. We all have different experiences. So we might come here with a mind that is not adjusted to the opportunities that are offered through our system. We all need to be on the same page. We all need to understand each other, understand the mission, understand the vision, understand the clear goal. A month, a year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, hopefully 25 years in advance. Who knows? Only you can tell. The person that cannot make a decision cannot make anything else happen. You need to stand up for yourself, for your family, to learn from all of the experts. I personally have done a lot of research and interviews over the last 2 years and gone through a lot of people. I've hand-selected the mentors and the platforms for an average and ordinary person like me who arrives in Canada to the CEO of a multi-million-dollar company to make it $1 billion company. You can 10 times whatever you're doing. My companies personally are 10 times revenues, activities, every possible imaginable goal measured you can think about. We're working on that. And we're showing it to our students how to do that. And their results are coming back. And they are happy, fulfilled, and absolutely full of gratitude. I want to thank you for watching this video. We may not know each other personally, but those of you who know personally, those of you who have shaken my hand, I'm inviting you to come to this 90-day session. I believe it can transform your life like I did mine over the COVID-19. We have fine-tuned it, we have updated it for 2024, and it's a limited spaces available because it's a very personal, interactive session. You can be a part of it. Reach out. Unless you take action, nothing will change. Nothing changes if you don't take action. If you're in a happy place, God bless you. If you're not, print, click, reach out. Thank you.